Hi Divas! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to modify your shipping amounts. So here you are on your product manager. You are going to go down to shipping, and you are going to select your custom shipping tab. You are going to select per product shipping and adjust shipping costs. Now the default shipping on Shoperatic is $8 for US, $15 for Canada, and $20 for Europe. So when you modify shipping, you are going to either add or subtract from that default amount. Here you are going to enter the country code. I'm going to enter US, and let's say I want my US shipping to cost $10 instead of $8. I'm going to add $2 in the line cost section. Let's say I want to also add $2 to my Canadian shipping, so instead of $15 it would be $17. I would do that. Let's say I want my Canadian shipping to cost less. Instead of $15, I want it to cost $10. I will insert -$5 into that line cost, so instead of $15, it will charge Canadian customers $10. For European shipping, it's not a country. I know that Europe is many countries, but because of the way this is written, we're going to insert EU. And let's say I want to add another $10, so it will cost $30. I will add that there. Then I will click Submit, and all of my custom shippings will be implemented when someone buys from each of these places. Let's get a little more complicated. Delete these. Let's say I want to charge less for people who live in my state. You can do that too. You can get more specific. So let's say I'm in New York right now. I can add New York to my state code. And instead of $8, let's say I want to charge them $6. I can enter -$2, and then it will be state specific. People in that state will receive that custom shipping code. That's not really something that, I would do, but the option is there. So I'm just showing you all the different options for modifying your shipping. If you don't do anything, your customer will still be billed at the default rate. So just to recap, make sure that you select your custom shipping rate, select per product shipping, and adjust shipping cost, enter the country code, and then either add or subtract the value from your line cost. So also, if you are selling something small, you might only want to charge $4. So you will enter -$4, and there you have it. Make sure you click Submit, and you are ready to charge custom shipping.